GM-60HY lathe utilizes the Mida Arm System, which features a high-precision tool setting arm designed to make every tool setting fast and accurate. It automatically detects tool coordinates and retrieves machine registers, eliminating the need for manual input and reducing human error. The Mida Arm system accelerates tool adjustment and process setup, reducing tool changeover time and increasing productivity. Rapid tool changes minimize downtime and enhance productivity, with every machining process aimed at achieving the highest level of precision. Perfectly integrated with GM-60HY lathe, the Mida Arm system enhances your machine's performance for automated and intelligent production. Choose GLORYMAQ GM-60HY to revolutionize your machining experience.